nje I'm very happy. So yeah, getting out on YouTube and it's been so long. And guys, getting cola, thank you for. And today it's my first it's day one of maternity leave. I'm on maternity leave up until next year, January. So yeah, I'm pregnant and I'm 7 months pregnant now. And I've not been feeling well, hence I've taken early maternity leave. Okay. And that's the reason why I haven't been like more I haven't been consistent YouTube. But ke manje ke I'm back. I'm back, guys. Yeah. So yeah, so today ke been planning I'm gonna go to the doctor because I'm not feeling well. I have pains in my lower belly. Yeah. I think maybe it's because of the baby's growing. But just to be sure, I need to go to the doctor. Yeah, well, this was like what's going on. Yeah, well. And then yeah, so ngoba kuyanetha-ke I'm not gonna go. I think it's kusasa if akunethi kusasa. And yeah, so ngithanda kuvuka-ke and I need to make my bed bese ngiyahamba ngiyogeza and then yeah, see ukuthi ngizobe ngenzani like during the day and get used to not working and being a stay-at-home mom. Okay guys, yeah. So I'm done on dream birthday. So now ngizohamba ngiyogeza and then ngiqoqe nje la endlini. Yabo. I'm just gonna change to my pajamas because the weather is very bad ke sana. And kuyanetha vele it's the day nje ukuthi ulale all day and watch a movie. Mhlawumbe I'm gonna watch Netflix. Bese ngiyalala kancane because vele I'm tired bandla. I'm always tired. Akunzima ukugcoba izinyawo. Hawe ma, azingaze ngiqashe umuntu azongigcoba. Kuba ngcono when my husband is around because uyangigcobisa-ke shame and akeve nje helpful. But uma engekho nje hayi it's a struggle bandla. So every morning I drink this calcium. But yeah, it helps the baby's bones. Yeah, even nje sizamathambo ukuthi abe stronger. I take one and put it in water like this. Every morning, like every morning, I drink this. And luckily, Shame it doesn't make me vomit. So yeah. And then at night, I take one of this multivitamins and this. So yeah, guys, I got this from the clinic, but yeah, they ran out of this one, and I had to buy it from the pharmacy. And then this one also, they didn't have, I had to buy it from the pharmacy. But it's recommended by Elo at Link. So yeah, it looks like this. Thank you. Don't like the taste. So this is my leftovers. It's not even leftover because I didn't eat yesterday. So I was kind of full and I didn't have appetite. So this is roast chicken, ponchesi, beans, and rice. So yeah, I'm gonna eat now. But I got to be like this sauce, hot sauce, because yeah. I'm so tired now, so I'm just gonna sleep. The rain is not stopping, so yeah, I'm gonna watch Netflix. I know for sure I'm gonna fall asleep unless. Okay, so with mama and we are having Istanbul samp with beans and meat. So my mother-in-law cooked ilo Istanbul and I cooked meat. So this is the next morning. I woke up early to make lunch for my husband, and then after that I got ready to go to town to see a doctor. So yeah, guys, that's about that.
Ngangithumele lightly manje le khanya ibe pink ngemuva awubona uma bethe YouTube ibe blue ibeka laphansi umuntu ayibonakala ngibona nje ilight iqhamuka awuzibona nje I think ngiyibone but mhlawumbe useserumini kanjani yeah useserumini yamuza phela ile nto kanje sothi yabo mhlawumbe ikhethini asekhethini wasukubheka la khaya ngase yeah sometimes that's really what I feel okay just nice and yes please
Morning, guys. Oops. Okay, so morning, guys. So today is a Tuesday. It's day 2 of my maternity leave, and I'm going to the doctor today because the rain has stopped. And yeah, so I'm just gonna eat my breakfast, do my bed, and then bath. Then after that, I go. So just follow this far away. Mhm. Yeah, this is recording it. I want to quickly show you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a dress from a Pick and Pay clothing, and then his t-shirt say Icon, and then the shoes from Mr. Price, and then the part of this bag from Edgar's. So yeah, my lunch. I always carry something to eat because I'm always hungry. Okay, so I'm done seeing the doctor now, and I'm just waiting for my medication. So yeah. Hi guys. Okay, so yeah, I'm back from town, and I got my medication from the doctor, and then I went to Linen Factory. So let's unbox what I got from Linen Factory. It's nothing much. They it doesn't bad there, and yeah, then from there, I bluff meat, but I didn't do unboxing. So I just bought sinyama like and stuff, small things, and yeah. Let's unbox. Everyone was cheap Linen Factory, guys, and Linen Factory if we would set a penny, oku street ngase opposite KFC ngase-Bluff Meat, yeah, olapho. It's very cheap, izinto nje special one way. Okay, so lapho ngithenge nescarf, kade sekunetha, izulu kade selina, so I bought iscarf because ngincane ukuthenga i-umbrella yabo. Bengingekwazi uyibamba kahle umbrella because kade ngiphethe lokhu no-plastic wase-Bluff Meat and my bag. So I just bought this, and then yeah. Oh my god. Got foil. What yellow? It should be. My price 75 rands. So cheap, cheap, cheap. And I bought this duvet cover for only 100 rands. Yeah, it's more like this one. But really, this one, I'm going to use this for home, bed at home, back at home. So yeah, this is the color that I got. Yeah, okay, guys, that's about that. Yeah, I think this is the end of the vlog. Thank you very much for watching. So now I have to drink meds and then hopefully give right from our pains lying in my now. And then yeah, guys, that's about that. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.